Hello and welcome to MAQ. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest notifications. So today I am going to show you how to unlock smartphone without knowing the password. I am demonstrating the method on an emulator. You can use any smartphone. So here's the emulator which is locked. I don't know the password of the emulator and we are going to crack it. So just open a command prompt and run it as administrator. To make sure the ADB tools are installed in your computer, I will provide the files in the description. So type the command adb space shell and hit enter. Now see the access by typing the command who am I, and as you can see it shows the root access. If you are not gain the root access by default, type the command su and hit enter. Now we are going to directory of data, so type the command cd space data and hit enter. Now type cd space system and hit enter. Oh, by mistake I typed the CDA, which is wrong. So just delete the A and hit enter. Now type command ls. So it shows all the files present in the system directory. So we are concentrating on the file which is named as logsettings.db. So it's the main database file which stores all the password for the smartphones. So we are going to edit this file for opening the locked screen of the smartphone. So type the command sqlite3 and hit enter. So now we are in a SQL database editor which is SQLite 3. Now we are going to edit the database which is named as logsettings.db. So now type the command dot open space log setting dot db and hit enter. Now the log setting dot db database is opened. Now type the command dot tables to show the available tables in the database. Well, I think I made it a mistake in the name of the database. I just forgot it to put s. So now again dot open space logs setting dot db and hit enter. Now type the command dot tables. So as you can see it shows two available tables. First is Android metadata and the second is log setting. So we are going to work on the log settings. So next select the table by typing the command select space star for all the entities of the database and from name of the database which is log settings. and semicolon and hit enter. So it shows the all available data of the lock settings database. So now we are going to edit few things in the database, like lock screen disabled and lock screen password type alternative and lock screen password type. These are the three things which we are going to edit. So let's start this by typing the command update space lock setting space set value is equals to 1 space where name is equals to lock screen disabled. And put a semicolon and hit enter. Oh, I just mistyped the spelling of the update. So starting again, typing update space set value is equals to 1 where name is equals to now that column is updated. Now the second we are going to update is lock screen password type. So type the command update lock screen lock settings set value zero where name is equals to lock screen dot Now the next we are going to update the lock screen password type alternative. For that, type command update value is equals to 0, where name is equals to lock screen dot password underscore type underscore alternative. Enter a semicolon and hit enter. Now just exit it. Just close the command prompt and now restart the phone. So now as you can see, our phone is unlocked. See, pipe on, it's unlocked. There is no any lock on the screen. Just go to settings, security and protection, and here is see, screen lock none. No current screen lock. We just deleted the password and the screen lock settings from the database. It's just that simple. And we are done here. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.